Hello and welcome to Cooking with Phoenix. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple gluten-free and dairy-free gravy. Ingredients: oil, flour. I'm going to be using mostly rice flour with a little bit of tapioca flour, but you can use any flours. The tapioca is particularly good because it's a starch and it helps the gravy to thicken better. If you want to make a brown gravy, you will need broth of some sort. This is pork broth from a pork roast that I'm currently making. If you want a white gravy, simply water will suffice. And optionally, salt and pepper. As for equipment, you're going to need a saucepan and a whisk, as well as something to scoop the flour with. The measurements for this recipe are by no means set in stone, and I in fact don't ever measure while I'm making it. I will be measuring tonight to give you a ballpark estimate of how much you need, but it's an estimate. First ingredient, the oil. Do this before you turn the stove top on. About 1/3 of a cup of oil. Next, you need to add the flour. About 1/2 a cup of flour. And mix the flour into the oil. And, I don't know, just a bit of tapioca. Like maybe a tablespoon. So just mix that all together. It looks like a goopy, just flour and oil mixture. The reason I had you do this cold without turning the burner on is because oil and flour combines better and less clumpy if it's cold. Once it's hot, it's more likely to clump. Now that you've done that, you can add your water and or broth. So. 3 cups of water now. So mix that in, and you can turn the heat on now. You can turn it on high, and then just add as much salt and pepper as you think it would need to taste right, which is completely arbitrary and depends both on who's cooking it, who's eating it, and what you're serving it with. Just whisk it until it gets thick, which will take 10 to 15 minutes, probably. Once your gravy is as thick as you want it, just turn off the heat and it's done.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching, and a special shout out to my little sister, codename Rabbit, who insisted on doing the rough edit of this video so that she could learn the process, and who's behind the camera right now. She's awesome. If you'd like a written out version of this recipe, check the description for a link. And remember, it's highly scalable, so if you want a little bit more or a little bit less, just change the amounts but keep the proportions. My next video should be uploaded on the 29th, so tune back in then to see me attempt to make a Turkish delight for the first time ever. Until then, have fun, cook lots, and eat some delicious food. Bye!